It's a great day at Wolf GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the completely refreshed 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the refreshed Sierra. The driver's door looks a little different this time round. We've got more of a rectangular power door lock, programmable memory seat for up to 2 drivers, AT4 hard badging in the door, power windows with 2 auto express windows, power adjustable and power folding side mirrors, the child lock button, door storage with a cup holder. We've got the stitching in the door as well, and you'll notice the Sierra comes with a premium Bose sound system. To the left of the steering wheel is the power tilt and telescopic steering wheel button, head-up display and information tab, electric park brake, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, trailer mode down below. By turning that dial to the right, we have various drive modes appear on the dash. Some lighting controls and dials, including automatic headlamps, all-weather floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, jet black interior with those Kalahari seat inserts, AT4 embroidery in the headrests, and a power sunroof overhead. Next, I'm going to hop in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. The left side has the adaptive cruise control buttons with forward collision alert. And on the right side, we have the audio controls and Bluetooth command. Up next is the refreshed 2.3-inch driver infotainment center. It's fully customizable. We're able to cycle through the dash using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Overhead, the programmable garage door opener, power sunroof buttons, rear window slider, interior light buttons, and OnStar. This is the rear view mirror camera. We're able to change the view back to normal by flicking the switch at the bottom of the screen. Next up is our 13-inch infotainment center, complete with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation. We've got our shortcut buttons down the side, including the trailering app, Bluetooth, our audio command, and back home. This screen also doubles as our backup camera with guidance. We're able to turn the guidance off or make it hitch guidance by pushing the button down below. And we're also able to change the camera view by simply pushing those buttons at the bottom of the screen. Next is the engine push start button. Apply pressure to the brake while pushing the button to start the truck. Heated and ventilated front seats, dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, lane departure alert, park assist, auto stop start, the tailgate release, hazard lights, traction control, hill descent control. This button here rolls all 4 windows down at the same time. No slip matting, new shifter. We also have some USB ports and power plug-in. The trailer brake is now located down here. We also have dual cup holders and the wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone in the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. Starting at the front of the Sierra, we have the completely refreshed front end. Embedded in our grille is the front camera, AT4 hard badging, red tow hooks, rectangular fog lights, signature C-shaped headlamps, 20-inch machined aluminum wheels, a 6.2-liter V8 engine under the hood. That new paint color is called the Desert Sand Metallic. Those side mirrors have side blind zone alert as well as the integrated turn signal indicator, rear tinted windows, 4 full-size doors, keyless entry, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. AT4 hard badging down the side along with AT4 high clearance steps, remote start, the rear window slider, and as we make our way to the very back, the corner step bumper. Those corner steps can be found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. This truck also has GM's easy lift and lower tailgate. We can use our key fob and push that button twice to drop the tailgate down. It also has GMC's 6-way multi-pro tailgate step. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. The passenger door has power windows, door storage with a cup holder and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets, dual cup holders, heated rear outboard seats, dual fans, some USB ports and power plug-ins, all-weather floor mats on the floor. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. We also have behind the seat storage located behind either one of those rear seats, along with under seat storage accessible by simply lifting those rear seats up. So come take a look at the completely refreshed 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfgmcbuick.com.